Okay, so the situation has arisen where I've got a load of spare sort of rough lime and stone, and I don't know what to do with it other than use it for a subfloor in here, which, as you can see, could do with it. So that's what we're going to do. See, haven't done much up here. I've got some stone and some bits of wood and stuff ready for carrying on with it, but I just haven't got up here. I managed to fix it down to the foundations. So we're going to put some damp-proof membrane down, a drainage pipe through, and then we'll bury that lime and limestone concoction that I've ended up with. We'll lay it out on the floor, give ourselves a bit of a nice hard subfloor that I can then put those pebbles on top. Right then, see about getting some of this on here. There we go. Okay, just coming up on the solar shower. Get this finished in the winter and it'll be ready for volunteers in the spring then. I've got this lime that I've mixed up that I made myself in the kiln. You guys have probably seen that video, hopefully. And it was a bit... let's see if we can get a bit closer. Yeah, it was a bit of a failed attempt, but we're making the most of it by using it in here. So you can see it on the front there steaming away. So we'll get it in here, and we're going to use it as the subfloor for this solar shower. Then we're going to put pebbles on top of it. It's going to be rather nice. Let's go and check it out. So I put some in here yesterday, but I couldn't do any more because it was too hot. You see it goes down quite well. So we'll just get the rest of this in here, and we'll be able to put a floor on top of that. There's a drain in the corner there, so the water's going to go to that corner and drain away. That's the plan anyway. I ended up getting a bit of clay mixed in with it that was in the tractor bucket, but it doesn't matter, it's not going to hurt it, it's just made it a bit brown, that's all. So we just tamp it down a bit and get it evened out. Like I say, there's going to be a layer going on top of this to level it out properly, but this is just a subfloor. Plan. So that's a nice subfloor raised up, bit of a damp-proof membrane under it, and then we're going to put pebbles down for the floor, which is going to look really cool. The drains over there, as you can see. Is the lens okay? Yeah. So Yeah, that's going to take a couple of weeks to harden up at least. It'll actually take many years for it to fully cure and reabsorb carbon. But yeah, in a couple of weeks it'll be firmed up. I put another layer just to level it on top and something smoother, you know, because that's a bit rough with the big bits of stone in there. And then we'll do pebble floor on top of it, but we'll wait until the rest of the building's done. The divider's going in here, we've got to put the tank on the roof, run a water supply. Lots to do. It's a nice day today, so I think it's going to be a solar shower day. The floor seems to have dried, cured rather. It's not completely hard yet, but it's okay to walk on. So yeah, we're gonna get the divider up in the middle, finish this cladding, trim that roof so it's even. Yeah, just do some odd jobs, get some work done on it. Here we are. I've got a few planks cut, working nice and slow today to try and rest my elbow a little bit, but I'm supposed to be doing nothing, but I just can't do it, so. That's more like it. Be a lovely little shower in the summer. Come up here on a sunny day. Okay, so there's the divider up, divides the shower area and the toilet area. I've put it on that side of the post. I could have put it in the middle, but I thought I'd actually rather have more space in the shower area than the toilet area. So there'll be a shower head hanging from up there. So this whole area here will be the shower area, which is quite nice and big. Door there will open outwards. Little ledge there to put your soap and that. It's actually a really nice area. The drain in the corner there, everything slopes down to that. Okay, so, and the toilet areas, take you around there. There's the toilet area again, door that if it opens outwards, nice little hobbity door because there's the corner post there, not designed for tall people. As you can see, I left a little gap there because the floor's getting raised up yet with the pebbles. And little toilet. The floor's higher now, so the toilet's at a more appropriate height, and that will be built in with wood, and with the toilet seat and stuff, as you'd expect. Yeah, coming along nicely. So now I'm gonna get up and trim off those ends of the roof and get that done. I think that'll be about enough for today. Just do that 3 more times, it'll be good. Pretty dodgy actually, it'll be alright. There we go. That's them trimmed off, and I'm still alive, so that's another good job done. Let's get down. So there we are, nice little job done. Done some cladding, put a divider in, trim the roof. Next job is to take those 2x4s there and build a platform for the tank to sit on the roof. That's the tank over there, that'll sit on the roof, and then right at the top of the roof actually, so it's got more pressure. So that'll be the next job we do, and we just do it bit by bit over the winter and it'll get done. So so pack up for today and then we'll do the roof stand next. Okay, I got a little stand up there, some angled pieces. There'll be a panel on that to collect the sun's energy. We'll make a hot water panel that will be sitting between them. Now we're going to put the tank on the top, so get the tractor, lift it up there, put the tank on the top, and then build around it, probably insulate the tank as well. Let's get this lifted up there. There. We want this to be probably not that way around. We want it to be like that. Leave it. That's it. Should sit there like that. Perfect. That's it. That's what we wanted. Okay, we need to build some bits around it so I can clad it and insulate it. Leave a bit of a gap for insulation and stuff. And it needs to be able to have a lid also. Yeah, that's it. Sitting on there, panel on there, it'll heat it up. The fitting, the outlet fitting is here. That will come down into the shower, drop down, gravity fed. So I'm going to put a few more bits of wood around it to secure it in so it doesn't blow off, and then that'll be it. Right then, so there's the tank up there with some diagonals. Let's say the panel that heats it will sit on those diagonals, and I've left a cavity as you can see so I can put some insulation and then clad the box, which is what we should do next. Yeah, coming along. So we'll put some cladding boards up there next. I think I've got some that I can use, some round with some curved edgy ones. So yeah, that'll be the next job. So we'll leave that for today and come back in a couple of days and we'll carry on slow and steady. Right, I'm up here by the tank. Got myself a float valve. I'm going to put that in here to help regulate the water height in the tank. There's already holes in the tank from before, so I'll just use them. And then I bought up some old insulation. This is recycled plastic insulation. I've got a little bit of foam laminate floor underlay as well that it's just left over from little jobs I've done for other people, so I'm going to use that to insulate this tank up here. Let's get this in, float valve. That'll mean we self-regulates the height of it then. So I need this sort of sticking out because I'm going to clad the box. I've got some cladding I bought over from the old toilet, if you remember the old toilet system, the old compost toilet that I took down to put the new compost toilet up. But I got the old cladding boards off of them. They're not a durable wood at all, but I've just put a little bit of treatment on them. They're not going to be anywhere near the water, so it's not going to be a problem. So we get this on here, stuff some insulation in around, and be good. Just there like that. I'm going to be making quite a cool copper shower head for this little building as well. It's actually going to be a very fancy little building, to be honest. So we'll treat my volunteers well. That's what it's all about, isn't it? So that should do the trick just there. We'll have that at max height. Should be good. Okay, let's start putting some insulation in. Right, just that's how I got some of this left over. I did some flooring. I think it's for my sister. Flooring underlay. It's actually going to be great for insulating that. It's not going to be insulated loads, just a little bit, because it's been knocking about the shed, that stuff, for ages, and this will be a good use for it. So we get a few screws here, get a couple of bits of cladding on the front. The cold water is going to be going in that hole. I'm going to cover it up for now. I'll take the top cladding board off and cut it through once I've got the fittings. I forgot to get the fitting, so we'll just leave that like that for now. I'll just take the top board off, no problem. When it comes to it, get this bottom one on, something like that. Push very hard because of my injured elbow. That's why my screws are slipping. Yeah. Great feeling from recycling stuff. Much prefer using stuff that's been, you know, waste or left over. I picked up a load of double glazing windows the other day from Skip. They'll be getting used in the workshop. Yeah, much better. Doesn't cost anything either. Although that isn't the main motivation for it, it is a nice help. That's a bit annoying, might try and cut a bit of that off. Turn it round maybe. Just turn it round. Right, let me just do that. I'll start recording again. Right, switch that round. Apologies if the camera's shaking about a bit. It's attached to the tractor that I'm standing on. Hopefully it isn't moving around too much. I've almost finished doing the harp video of me building the harp. That should be coming out in about a week, so look out for that. That's probably some of the best work I've ever done. So. Got an awful lot of work into building the harp and an awful lot of work into the video as well. That'll be coming out soon, so keep an eye out for it. Right, I'm gonna get these bits done, get this all stuffed in there. Is that gonna fit? Just about perfectly, yep. And then we'll do the whole box, and I'll show you once I'm done. Because otherwise you're gonna be, it's gonna be a very long video. Okay, so that's the tank up on the roof. So got quite a bit done in this video. We got the floor down, divider, finished the cladding, got the tank up. Next job I need to do, I'll start doing some plumbing stuff for it. Needs 2 doors, that's just another job. But yeah, it's coming along, slow and steady as always, bit by bit, and we get there. So that's going to be it for this video, and so I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much for watching.